talk about this concept of data engineering as a prerequisite for shaping the new. What's involved? What should organizations think about in 2025 in terms of data with the advent of AI?
That's an important question, because I think that's going to affect the spends in the next 2 years. Most AI POCs work. We're not seeing some that don't work, because you're doing this under lab conditions. All conditions are ideal. POCs usually work. You're trying to ask one question based on a certain set of data. Let's say you start seeing the ROI. Now, you discovered that you got the, let's take an example. Let's say it's a dynamic pricing model. Okay. And you found a model that works. Do you need that dynamic pricing model to run every month? For every product? For every geography? Do you have the data to support all these three? How often should you pull the data to support all these three? Should you work with only the last 18 months of data? What about if this model runs for 2 years? Do you use the data that you dynamically priced 6 months ago for all the data now?
I'm supposed to be asking the questions.
Right? So, right, you see the complications and what happens if you go from proof of concept to scale.
Right.
And in all of that, we are seeing that the spending is very counterintuitive. On $10 of AI, $8 is going towards data for this reason. So you're going to see a lot of care and feeding, data engineering. It's going to lead to new concepts like model gardens, where models are sitting together in this garden, common care and feeding. You're going to also see model switchboards, which means each of these models exposing their insights either outside the enterprise or it's within the enterprise, so you can combine them in any which way. And all of this is even before you start going towards agentic AI.